Guillain-Barré Syndrome. Introduction. Please point to the axon. Choose one of the following options.
1 or 2.
Correct. This is an axon. Nerves only send and receive messages about movement. Select true or false. Correct. Nerves also receive messages about sensation. Damage to nerves can affect both movement and sensation. In severe cases, GBS can be life-threatening. Select true or false. Correct. Damage to the peripheral nerves caused by GBS makes it hard for the nerves to transmit signals. As a result, your muscles have trouble responding to your brain. Symptoms can increase in intensity until certain muscles cannot be used at all. Select true or false. Correct. In severe cases, GBS can cause paralysis. Is GBS contagious? Select yes or no. Correct. GBS is not contagious. The cause or causes of GBS are not known. What scientists do know is that GBS is an autoimmune disease. Recovery from GBS may take a few weeks to a few years. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.